Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield for a Anfield Road Expansion update, and I'm going to start on the left hand side over here because the scaffolding starting to come down on this side, revealing more of the brickwork. So I'll get straight onto that brickwork and see how it's looking. There we go. We'll start to reveal now. Okay. Just getting a touch more on it. A lot of people keep saying about the pointing on the brickwork. I'm pretty sure it's going to get sorted out before the handover to Liverpool Football Club. And there's guys working at the top here, so I'll have a look what they're doing, and then I'll get onto the title on my thumbnail. They're just moving at the moment. I'm sure they were doing something before. Let's keep on them, and I'll get onto the title of the thumbnail. So, the title of the thumbnail is "Do I Deserve Abuse?" Doing this. That comes from my last video, where I said I spoke to a security guard, and he said there's people on site 24 hours because they're slightly behind. Now, one person took exception to that, saying I'll put the thing on screen now, saying how much I annoy him, and you know, wasn't very nice. But do I deserve abuse doing this? Of course I do. I've put myself out in the public domain, on a public network, YouTube. I'm going to expect abuse. I don't mind, it doesn't bother me. I don't like getting called a liar. But that's a different story. If people want to believe me, they can believe me. If they don't, they don't. Getting abuse, I'm not bothered. Thanks for the comments. It probably helped jargon him a little bit, but yeah, I'll probably just leave it there now. But yeah, anyone who puts themselves out there, you know, they deserve a little. I'm not saying they deserve a little abuse, but they expect it. It's going to come. It's going to check over these windows. Yeah, brickwork's gone in over the windows now. Over all of them. No, the end one's not done. But yeah, anyone who puts themselves out in the public, I'll leave that guy. He seems to be relaxing, so I'll zoom into this part of the brickwork. Yeah, anyone who puts themselves out in the public, you know, domain, I expect a little bit of abuse. Doesn't bother me, shouldn't bother anyone else. Talking about if they're behind or not, let's get a bit higher. You see people down on the floor here. Now I put that out on a day, so I put my video out, it went out, I recorded it in the morning, it went out about 3 hours before Liverpool said that they put a request in to see if they can delay their kick-off to the start of the season. So make it that what you will. It's, you know, because they said that they're on track, which they probably are. I said it'll be open on time, and I still stick to that. Whether on track means we've got to have people on site 24 hours a day to be on track, and not working from 7 in the morning till 6 at night, because if we do 7 in the morning till 6 at night, we probably won't be on track. But if we put people on site 24 hours a day, then we will be on track. Then they're on track. If it means getting 2,000 extra labourers in to get them on track, then they'll be on track. Look, this construction company, Liverpool Football Club, are going to do all they can to make sure that they are on track. Okay, this stand will be open for the start of the season. Test events, I think they've got to do 2 test events, which I'm going to try and attend. both of them. If you're going to spare tickets, I will let people know and they can attend with me. Okay, so I'll leave that there now. But make of the news what you will. It's, you know, I'm not saying everything I say is right. I'm not saying it's wrong. Right, so let's see what's going on the roof here. But if I hear anything, I will let people know. If everything is complete bull, then I'm not going to share it. I've heard lots of things that I haven't shared on here. But if someone working on site says that they're going to, that things are slightly behind and they got people on site 24/7 just to catch up, I'll share that. If it's wrong, it's wrong. If it's not, it's not. Right, what are these two up to on the roof? What's he doing? What's he doing there? Is that like a glue gun or something? Let's hang around here a touch. But it's cold up there because it's cold. It's a bit chilly down here today. A little bit windy, a little bit chilly. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty sure that was a glue gun in his hands. Another one about the roof coming off as well. There's been loads of rumours going around now about when it's coming off, what's going to happen after kick-off. So I was told 6 hours after kick-off then they're going to start moving stuff onto the pitch in preparation for dismantling the roof. But apparently, there's other rumours going around that it's going to be 2 weeks after the final game. So I don't know. Obviously there's different rumours going round, but what the Liverpool did say is that they've got an ops team, an operations team that can go in straight after kick-off, and they've got 24 hours to start moving things out. So there's going to be a lot of expensive equipment in there because there's loads of there's bars and kitchens and stuff in there, so they're going to need to rip out all the expensive stuff like ovens and stuff like that because they're not cheap, are they? So I think while that's going on, stuff will start moving onto the pitch. So I don't know if it'll be that night, straight after the kick-off. I don't know, but I think it will. But we'll just see. Right. I'm just going to move up and around. Let's see what's going on the pitch. Anything at all? Yeah, the lawnmowers are out. They're always out, aren't they? One thing guaranteed, there'll be lawnmowers on that pitch. I just want to get a good position now without having to completely move myself. Oh, what's going on the front here? What's going on here? Anyone know? Securing things maybe? Let's have a look up. Yeah, there's no one else there. There's only them two. Guy in the front here. Yeah, there's a bit of work going on the roof today. I can't quite work out what, but what's that hole for there? I'll see into it. Yeah, so I'm going to move back around. It's a little bit windy, so I don't want to get too far out, but I'll cut here and I'll join back on in a minute. Right, so I'm back around this side of the build now. So we can come around and get a bit lower. See if there's any brickwork going on. Yeah, that's moved on a lot more now, hasn't it? From when I was last here. Yeah, that's it, that's moved on. What's he up to up here? There's quite a lot going on. I just don't know where I want to be next. Where I want to be directing the camera. So stuff going on in the lift there. Some heavy plant moving around. Yeah, there's quite a lot going on, guys. I'm not going to keep tabs of everything here because there's a fair bit. Move back a touch and get higher. That's the reason why I'm naming, just still zoomed in a little bit, that's all. Oh. Yeah, it's more brickwork on the pillars here. That's what them guys were doing before when I was chatting. So yeah, they're going to join that up there. Okay. Well, I've moved on to the attenuation tank because when I was in there before, the store that was pretty much filled in. Get a bit higher. I'm going this way because I want to stay outside of the building site. There you go, look, that's all filled in now, that's all almost filled in. What's going on there, I'm not quite sure, but it's very deep. It must be the piping going in. Okay, right, I've waffled on quite long enough now, guys. As I say, you know, I don't mean to offend anyone, I don't mean to annoy anyone. Okay, I just, if you heard a little bit of information, I'm going to share it. Whether it's true, if I believe it could be true, I'm going to share it. If I believe it won't be true, because there's a lot of nonsense going around, then I won't share it. It's as simple as that. Okay, right, anyway, if you want to tell me how much I annoy you, please do it in the comments. It helps the algorithm. What else? Likes are always appreciated as well, because that also helps the algorithm. And also, if you like the video, subscribe. Okay, but apart from that, look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.